Hello, I would like to show you how to pair your Signia hearing aids to your smartphone as well as to the Signia app. The first thing you want to do is on your phone, whether you have if you have an Apple phone, go to the App Store and download the Signia app, or go to the Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone and download the Signia app. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to pair the hearing aids directly to the phone itself. So you always want to restart the hearing aids for any new pairing. So right now I have them in the charger. The hearing aids are turned off. When I remove them, they're going to turn on. If the charger is not near you, you just have to, at the back of the hearing aid, you see the bottom button there. Just hold that down, don't let go, for about 10 or 15 seconds. That will turn the hearing aid off. Then go ahead, hold the button down again for another 10 or 15 seconds, and the hearing aid will turn back on, and it will then be in pairing mode, giving you approximately 2 minutes to pair the hearing aids. So we're in pairing mode now. So I'm using an iPhone, and I've gone into settings, and down from settings, I want to go to accessibility. So I'm in accessibility, and I want to look for hearing devices. So here are the hearing devices here, and they're searching for them, and right now I can see them, and I just wanna, it says they're not paired, so I'm gonna pair them. And we hit the pair button 2 times to do both left and right. So now the hearing aids are connected to the actual phone. So right now, I'm going to connect them to the Signia app itself. So I'm restarting the hearing aids. I've put them in the charger. Going to remove them. And I'm going to hit the Bluetooth at the top, and I'll just wait. And it's just counting down. And the connection was successful. So this was pretty simple. Just remember that each and every time you pair to a new device that's Bluetooth compatible or compatible with your hearing aids, to make sure that you restart the hearing aids each and every time.